NASA's Barge Pegasus is an iconic vessel that's been a crucial part of space exploration history. Built in 1999, Pegasus was specially designed to transport the massive external fuel tanks for the Space Shuttle program. Pegasus replaced earlier barges used in the Apollo program and became an essential part of moving large spacecrafts between NASA facilities. It's most famous for transporting the Space Shuttle to the Smithsonian for display after its final mission. SteelMaster buildings played a key role in making this historic mission possible. A SteelMaster Quonset hut was used to cover the barge, protecting the delicate cargo like the SLS Rocket and ensuring a safe, secure transport. The durable, strong arches of the SteelMaster structure were built to keep the cargo secure while it traveled the 900-mile journey. SteelMaster's involvement in the Barge Pegasus mission is a testament to innovation, strength, and the importance of collaboration in reaching new frontiers.